Hello there. Today we'll be doing a quick overview of this square beam project that I had to do. So over here right now I already have it drawn up, but we can go back through over real quick how you do it. So first we would draw this. It's a 1 meter long by 0.1 meter by 0.1 meter, obviously square. It is made with aluminum alloy 6061. Over here you have the mesh. You got to get your faces down, or sorry, your elements. I chose this type of model. Obviously, it depends on whatever one you're trying to do. You'll use a different method for your mesh, pre-stressing on everything for analysis. Obviously, the 20 modes we have to do. And then when we do this later, we can go right here. When we have to involve damping, you click here, you'll have this thing will drop down, and I already put in because what we were given was 5% dampening. So if we put that in there, it's going to ask us to have the program solve, so we give it a second to load. And now if we come back, we will see that we get a lot smaller values, and if we hit play right here, we can see it's not oscillating with the same frequency as the other one has. But let me go back real quick now to that one so you can see it actually in action. Go back, let it reiterate. And here you go. This is what it would look like without dampening. So you can see here that it's oscillating at a higher frequency. So there we have that done. Let me double check, make sure there's anything else I needed to cover. I don't believe there is anything else that I needed to cover, so that'll do it.